Today we're creating an ice cream social idea in the beautiful state of Missouri. Hi, I'm Linda with Life on Summerhill and welcome to my channel. Today we are traveling in this video to the beautiful state of Missouri. This is my first time visiting Missouri, and while we're there, we are going to create an ice cream social idea that you can do this summer with your kids, your friends, your family, or anyone. So let's get started and I'll walk you through all the steps and show you around my friend Mel's beautiful farm. Before you get started decorating or setting up for your ice cream social, go ahead and prep as much as you can indoors. For example, we use this dough bowl and these mason jars to prepare all of the toppings for the ice cream. We also placed all of the ice cream cones inside of this old vintage looking jar. Now let's see if we can get my basket back from Molly the kitten, and then we'll head out and start decorating the buffet and the table. We found a beautiful spot out by the fields, and it had this really cool beehive close to it, but not close enough that someone would get hurt. The first thing I recommend doing is place your runner on your buffet, and let's decorate your buffet. Next, place something tall to one side. I'm using this vintage looking milk pitcher, and we're going to put some wildflowers in it. Next, start sitting other taller items in the back, and if you have any cutting boards, place them to one side in the front. Once you have all the taller pieces in the back, now start filling in the shorter pieces in the front. If you're making homemade ice cream, you'll find you need a place to sit the ice cream churn. We placed ours on this really sturdy basket, but another recommendation would be a chair that would be sitting to one side or the other of the buffet. Once you have all the pieces on your buffet, don't forget to put your spoons and your napkins on the buffet. I use this old wooden bowl that I found at Goodwill, and I basically rolled up the napkins, tied them with string, and then put the wooden spoons next to it. I'll put a link in the description to my Amazon shop where I've created a board basically that has all the items that I got from Amazon. Now everything is set on the buffet. So let's move over to the table and I'll show you what we're going to do over there. So on the table, we plan to put the dry toppings down the middle of the table as a centerpiece. But I thought it would be really pretty to dress up the table with an old quilt. This quilt belonged to my grandmother, and her mother made it for her. So we decided it would be so pretty out in the countryside with a beautiful quilt on the table. Now, after you get a quilt or a tablecloth, or you don't even have to have anything on the table, the next thing I want to encourage you to do is to place a runner down the table. I just grabbed a white runner that I had in my linen drawer at the house. And then next, place a beautiful piece of wood that you've painted and distressed, and then you're all ready to put the dry toppings on the table. Now that that the table is set and the buffet is set, let's do some flowers in your milk pitcher. But in our case, we decided that we wanted some wildflowers from my friend Mel's beautiful farm. So join us on this excursion as we look for some Queen Anne's lace and a few other small little flowers. You'd be amazed at how many you're going to need to fill up that thing. Back there. Now that we have a basket full of flowers, let's head back, make the arrangement, and we're ready to party.
Yes.
For our party, we decided to have one person serve the ice cream, and that task was given to Jacob, Mel's son. So he served all the ice cream into all of the sundae glasses, and then everyone just came, got their ice cream or their ice cream cone, and then they decorated it however they wanted. Everyone was so excited to be celebrating, putting up the hay for the season, and we did that in the form of this outdoor ice cream social. Even Chuck the dog enjoyed having some ice cream.
Okay.
Yeah, we're celebrating. You can come, and everybody can sit at the table if you want and just graze on the dough bowl. So what did you think? Are you ready to give this project a try? It's really easy. You can replicate some of the items. It's hard to find the exact pieces, but just replicate it. Use the dollar store, use your local, any kind of store where you can find ice cream sundae glasses and all these different things. I even look on Etsy sometimes to find the pieces I'm looking for. It's super easy, and don't stress over it. Have fun. It's all about having fun, and it's all about enjoying the beautiful summertime with your family. Also, you can create this indoors, so don't rule that out. I know it's really hot in some places, so make sure to create this indoor too. And I hope you have a lot of fun having an ice cream social. So again, I want to thank you so much for joining me here on Life on Summer Hill. Life on Summer Hill is a home decor, DIY, and entertaining decorating website. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope you're having a great summer, and we'll see you soon.